So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set environment variables for your Python. So all you need to know is where you have installed your Python in your system. I'll leave the default location where your Python will be installed. So in mine, the default is in the C drive in a folder called Python. So I'll just head to that folder, and then inside scripts, all I need to do is just click on this address bar and copy the address of this folder, and then just minimize and then go for the search bar here, and you need to search for environment variables. So just type environment variables and select that. It should pop up a window, and down here you should see environment variables. Click on that, and here you can see the path. Click on that and select edit, and now here you should see paste option. Click on add new, and then just paste whatever the address you had copied, and then select OK. Click on OK again, and then click on OK again, and you have environment variables set for your Python.